Hello everyone, welcome back to another useful and informative video about the iPhone solutions. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the screen rotation issue on your iPhone after the update of iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. If you have a screen rotation issue after update to iOS, then we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on display and brightness, scroll and tap view. Here we have to make sure that standard is selected, then select zoomed and tap on standard. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. The next thing that we have to do, launch the control center and check the screen orientation lock. Make sure that the screen orientation lock is off. If already off, then lock the orientation lock down the control center. Wait for a few seconds, go back to control center and turn off the screen orientation lock. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then we move to other solution. The next one is launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Then scroll, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. In the end, what we have to do, go back to settings. Here we have to tap on battery and disable low power mode and charge your iPhone to minimum 80%. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.